Welcome home to Suite 631 at 1783 Manitoba. Offering a spectacular suite in the coveted Residences at West in the center of Olympic Village. The spectacular one-bedroom and den home features a functional and open floor plan with floor-to-ceiling windows. The stylish kitchen offers sleek cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops. The spacious master bedroom opens into a large den perfect for a home office or a study sitting space. The luxurious bathroom has double sinks, plenty of cabinet and countertop space, and a deep soaker tub. 1783 Manitoba is in an amazing location, just a stone's throw away from great restaurants and cafes and vibrant shopping. Plus, it's only a 10-minute walk to the SkyTrain station or a short sea bus ride to downtown.